Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Pinnacle Bank account. Logging into your Pinnacle Bank online account is simple and secure. First of all, open up your web browser on your device. Whichever device you are using, just open up a web browser. In the URL box at the bottom, type in pinbank.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Pinnacle Bank. Go ahead and tap the menu button at the top left corner. Now, look for the account login button and tap on it. Select your account type from the menu. You can log into your personal account, business account, or business premium account. I'm going to choose the personal login option. After selecting one of these options, on the next page, you'll need to enter your credentials for your online banking account. In the username field, type down your username associated with your bank account and then enter your correct password in the password box. If you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password and follow through the instructions correctly. If you are not yet enrolled into online banking account for Pinnacle Bank, you can get help by tapping Enroll Now and follow through the sign-up process. After entering all of the credentials, tap on Login, and that way you will be able to log in to your online banking account for Pinnacle Bank. You'll be taken to your account's dashboard from where you can manage your banking activities. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.